Good morning everyone, this is Ask Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss about the next concept that is given in your NCERT. What is a cell made up of? Yes student, cell is made up of. It is made up of cell wall or cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. These are the three main components from which a cell is made up of. Today we will discuss about the plasma membrane or cell membrane, and with this we will also discuss about the cell wall. We will discuss about their structure, composition and their function. Yes student, plasma membrane. It is the important structure and it is the outer covering of all the animal cell, and it is also found in the cell of protozoa. Means animal cell or the protozoal cell or the protist cells are covered with the help of plasma membrane, and it is also known as cell membrane. It is made up of lipid, protein and carbohydrate, and it provides flexibility to the cell, and with the help of that flexibility it maintains the shape of the cell. With this student, plasma membrane provides the mechanical support to the cell, and with the providing the mechanical support it also protects the cell from the injury or the jerks that generally in the case of animals it provides the motion, it helps in the motion of the animals. Means the protozoal cells or protozoal organisms can move from one place to another with the help of this membrane student, with the help of plasma membrane, because it provides the flexibility to the cell student. With the help of that they can change their shape student, and by changing the shape the amoeba or other protozoas can move from one place to another. With this student, it also help in the active and passive transport. Yes student, the transportation is also plays very important role inside the cell, or it also comes or it also remove from the cell with the help of plasma membrane. So it allows the exit or the entry of the substances from the cell student. It maintains the exit or entry of the substance. That's why the cell is known as selectively permeable membrane, because it selects the material to enter or to exit. Means the substance are entered inside the cell via plasma membrane, or they are removed from the cell via plasma membrane. And the process that are involved in that student, those processes are known as diffusion or osmosis. Diffusion is the important process student from which the gaseous exchange takes place with the help of plasma membrane. But in this the plasma membrane does not play an important role. It is diffusion from which the gaseous exchange takes place. Means the animal cell takes the oxygen, and what it removes the carbon dioxide via diffusion. With this, the water containing substances move inside the cell, or it removed from the cell with the help of one important process, and that is known as osmosis. Means osmosis is the important process that is maintained via plasma membrane student. Means it selects the entry or the exit of the substances, like it takes the substances with the help of osmosis. Means when the substance is entered with the help of water inside the cell, then that process is known as endoosmosis student. When it is removed, means the substances or the waste material are removed via cell with the help of this membrane, then that particular osmosis is known as exoosmosis. So endoosmosis or exoosmosis is maintained with the help of plasma membrane, student. Now, what is endo or what is exo? Means when the substances move from higher concentration to the lower concentration via water, student, or via plasma membrane from the cell, then that process is known as exoosmosis, means when the water is removed. And when the water is entered, means the substances are entered with the help of water, then that process is known as endoosmosis. So endoosmosis and the exoosmosis is maintained with the help of plasma membrane. With this, student, it also means the plasma membrane also help in the maintaining the ionic balance. Ionic balance is the process, student, in which the ion exchange takes place. As you know, in our body there are the different ions, sodium ions, potassium ions, and the hydrogen carbonate ions. These ions are found, and those ions are also transported, and that transportation does not need the energy, student. That's why that transportation is known as passive transportation. So that passive transportation is also done with the help of plasma membrane. With this cell also made up of, in the case of plant or the fungi, student, it is covered by cell wall, and that cell wall is made up of cellulose, student. Cellulose, with the help of the cellulose it is made up of, and it is the outer covering of the cell in the case of plant. And fungi cell wall is made up of chitin, student. It is made up of chitin, and it helps in the mechanical support of the plant cell or the fungi cell, student. It provides the mechanical support to the plant or fungi cell. With this, it also maintains the rigidity of the plant or fungi cell. Means with the help of that, they can maintain their shape. With this, it also protects the cell from the injury or the jerk, student. Means the particular plant cell or the fungi cell is protected with the help of cell wall. With this, it also acts as a barrier, student. Means it prevents the transportation from the environment, and it helps in the transportation from cell to cell. Means the transportation from cell to cell possible only with the help of cell wall, but in the case of external environment it acts as a barrier. Means it prevents the transportation of the substances from it. So it acts as a barrier also. Cell wall. Cell wall is found in the plant cell and the fungi cell. Plasma membrane is found in the only in the animal cell, student. Animal cell. And in the plant cell membrane is also found. Means plant cell have the two outer covering. First is cell wall, second is plasma membrane. So it is about the outer covering of the cell, student. In the next segment, we will discuss about the nucleus and its structure. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.